Hey, are you looking for an experienced app developer to craft beautiful and stunning apps for you? Then look no further. Hey, I'm a Flutter developer with passion for building beautiful and functional apps for you using Flutter. Using Flutter Powerful framework, I will bring your app ideas into life, from sleek user interface to seamless functionalities. Whether it's a social app, a game, or anything in between, I will craft a user interface that will keep your audience engaged. Let's turn your vision into reality. I'm here to build a more successful mobile app for you using Flutter. Feel free to contact me. I'm available on Fiverr.